In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 best mechanical gaming keyboards of 2018. These are going by general consensus of reviews found online and also based on personal opinion, and is in no ways absolutely definitive as your mileage may vary. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 5. The Logitech G910 Orion Spectrum RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. With this keyboard, you'll be able to maintain full control of your gaming commands with the customizable illuminated keys. You can also connect the unit to a smartphone or tablet to display in-game information on a second screen. Anti-ghosting protection keeps the Orion Spectrum mechanical gaming keyboard from freezing up during these intense gaming sessions. Logitech has also touted this keyboard as the world's fastest RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, as exclusive Romer G mechanical switches with up to 25% faster actuation have been integrated. The RGB illumination is customizable, and you can personalize individual key lighting from a palette of 16 million colors. You'll have 9 programmable G keys at your disposal to create custom game macros to execute complete commands with lightning speed and accuracy. And lastly, there are dedicated media controls, one-touch control panel for quick access to play. Also, there are dedicated media controls with a one-touch control panel for quick access to play, pause, mute, volume, and skip. Number 4. The DOS Keyboard X40 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The DOS Keyboard X40 is truly a piece of hardware to behold. This keyboard features the new Alpha Zulu Pro gaming switches and a stunning look. The red lighting is adjustable, and the sleek anodized aluminum top panel is highly durable. There is also a resonance-free bottom enclosure and braided cable. The Alpha Zulu Pro gaming switches allow super fast precision, as there is a 1.7mm point of actuation, which allows your keystrokes to edge out your competition. Gold-plated switches offer excellent reliability, as they are corrosion resistant and give the switch a lifespan of up to 60 million keystrokes. The red LED backlighting will help dilate the eyes, improve vision, and lessen eye strain while gaming in the dark. You'll have USB, microphone, and headphone jacks to conveniently connect a headset and/or storage device. This keyboard also features permanent full N-key rollover with absolute anti-ghosting multi-key press capability. Lastly, you can enter gaming mode to disable the Windows key to eliminate any possibility of you accidentally entering desktop mode. Number 3. The Razer or Naga Chroma. The Razer or Naga Chroma has a unique feature of the Razer Mecha membrane, which combines both membrane rubber domes and mechanical switches to deliver a typing experience that is like no other. Traditional rubber dome keyboards have a soft touch that feels good, but fails to deliver tactility, as the mushy feel does not signal actuation. Mechanical switches are the opposite and deliver fast actuation, but can cause fatigue. Well, you get the best of both worlds, as this feature combines the feeling of a soft cushioned touch and the actuation of a mechanical switch. The feeling can be described as a soft cushioned touch along with a crisp tactile click. Mid-height keys also allow your fingers to travel across the keys without any hindrance. This keyboard also has interactive game effects that react to your game, making a much more immersive experience. And lastly, there is an ergonomic wrist rest and built-in anti-ghosting technology. Number 2. The DOS Keyboard for Professional. Number 2. The DOS Keyboard for Professional Mechanical Keyboard. The DOS Keyboard for Professional Mechanical Keyboard is truly an experience to behold. This keyboard has been crafted to create a tactile and acoustic experience that you will have to see and feel to believe. The typing experience is unmatched, and you will type faster and longer, so much so that you won't want to stop. The DOS keyboard uses Cherry MX mechanical key switches to provide super accurate tactile and audio feedback, so that every keystroke will be accurate and fast. As an added bonus, this keyboard uses gold-plated switches to provide ultimate contact, and like other metals, gold will not rust, which extends the lifespan of the switches. The DOS Keyboard 4 professional mechanical keyboard is available in both Cherry MX Brown and Cherry MX Blue switches. Number 1. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum features Cherry MX Speed key switches and is backed by a lightweight aluminum frame. There is 8 MB of profile storage in this keyboard with hardware macro and lighting playback. This means that you can have different profiles on this keyboard without relying on external software. You can use the 19-zone light edge to add really cool lighting animations and effects. In terms of macros, you'll have 6 programmable G keys for in-game macros. You won't have any issues with anti-ghosting as full key rollover on USB ensures that every keystroke is translated to your gameplay. You'll also have access to one additional convenient pass-through USB port for your gaming headset or mouse. Also allow you to adjust your audio easily without interrupting your gameplay. So that is it for the top 5 mechanical gaming keyboards at the time of this video being made. If you're looking for where to get these keyboards, feel free to follow the links in the description box down below to learn more about these amazing products. Also, if you like the style of this video and would like to keep updated on the best products on the net, go to www.bestonthenet.co to learn more. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.